Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to get started with Power BI, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to download and install Power BI Desktop on your Windows computer for free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Power BI ready to go so you can jump right into building your own dashboards and visualizing your data. Let's get right into it and make sure you don't miss anything important along the way. First up, we'll start in Microsoft 365. So open up your web browser and head over to your Microsoft 365 homepage. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, once you're in, you'll see a menu of different Microsoft products. What you want to do here is find Products. It's usually up at the top or in the sidebar depending on your layout. Click on that to see a full listing of everything available to you. Next, you'll want to look for an option called See All Apps and Services. Sometimes, not everything is displayed on the main page, so clicking this ensures you get the full list. Go ahead and click there. This might take a second to load, especially if you have lots of apps tied to your account. Now scroll through this complete list until you spot Power BI. It might be grouped under the Analytics or Business Intelligence section. If you're not seeing it right away, don't stress, just take your time and remember, you can use the search function if the menu is a bit overwhelming. Once you've found Power BI, look for the Resources section. Usually there's a menu on the left or somewhere along the top. Click on Resources. This is where Microsoft has gathered all the helpful links and downloads you'll need for Power BI. From here, look for an option that says something like Power BI Downloads. This is the section specifically dedicated to downloading various versions of Power BI. Once you find it, go ahead and click. This page focuses on the desktop version, which is completely free to download and use, so no need to worry about licenses or payments. Now look for the Download Power BI Desktop button. It will usually say something like Download PBI or Get Power BI Desktop. Click that and it will either start downloading the installer right away or it'll bring you to another page where you confirm your download. If you're prompted with a download button, just click it and the download should start almost immediately. If you've already installed Power BI on your computer before instead of download, you might see an open button which will launch the app you've already got. For those downloading for the first time, just wait for that file to finish downloading. It may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. After the download is done, open up the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. Setup should be nice and straightforward, just confirm the installation and let it run. Once it finishes, you'll have Power BI Desktop ready to go. And that's all there is to it. You've just downloaded and installed Power BI Desktop completely free on your Windows machine. Now you're ready to take your first steps into data visualization and analytics. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you ran into any issues or have questions about Power BI, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.